Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to be showing you the cheap and best Type-C earphone you can buy for your Mi A2. Now this phone obviously doesn't have a 3.5mm audio jack, so if you're planning to buy a Type-C earphone of Mi, it obviously costs a lot, or even the Bluetooth earphones, they just cost high. So I'm going to be showing you the real cheap one. Now the one option is that you can use this little thing, so which I don't like at all. First you have to put this thing in like this, and then after that you have to use the earphone. So I don't like this at all, so let's keep this to the side. Now I have been using this earphone for a week, and it is just awesome considering the price and all. So let's get straight in. So here we have it, guys. Now I just put this in the box to just make it look like a little unboxing, but I have been using this for a week, and let's quickly take this out. Here we go. Now if you want to buy this earphone, the link is in the description. I have also pinned this as a comment, and you also get this little bud so you can use it. And another thing I like about this earphone is the cable. Now this is very long, guys. It is very long, and the cable is smooth as well. On one end you get this little Type-C, and also in the middle you get this changer. You change it, and you can also click here to answer the call as well. And the earbuds are super soft, so even if you use this earphone for a long time, you don't feel like a pain in your ears. And down here, if you have a look, you get this point holes. I think they are on both sides, and I think this is for maybe for noise cancellation, so that's pretty cool as well. And the wires are really soft. And I got a comment like asking me to try a Type-C earphone with Mi A1, which obviously has a 3.5mm audio jack, but anyways, let's give it a try. And of course I'm giving it a try with this particular earphone, so just keep in mind that as well. So let's do this, and here is my Mi A1. Let's put this in. Okay, so here we go, and let's play music. And I think, okay, let's quickly increase the sound, and I can already hear the sound actually coming from the speaker and not from the earphones. So let's quickly try to do something with the changer if it works. Okay, still there is no change. Let's try once more. And actually the voice is coming from the speaker, guys. I don't see it coming from the earphone, so just keep in mind that it doesn't work with Mi A1. So if you are using A2, you can go ahead, buy. Link is in the description. And thanks for watching. If you like, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe if you're not, and yeah guys, like, subscribe, share, and as always, peace out.